What's going on, everyone? My name's Obi and welcome back to Courtside Financial. Today we're going to be talking about some information that I got from UXIN's Investor Relations. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any videos. And also make sure you hit that like button because it really does go a long way in helping out the channel. Lastly, if you want to be a part of the conversation before it happens here on YouTube, make sure you click that link in the description to join the free Courtside Financial Discord. When you open up your new brokerage account, you'll receive one free stock valued anywhere from $2.50 to $250. And when you make that initial deposit of $100 or more, you'll receive another free stock, and this free stock will be valued anywhere from $8 to $1,600. Lastly, cryptocurrency is now available on WeBull, so you can trade cryptocurrency on the platform with zero commission. So today we're going to be talking about UXIN. It's currently 12:28 p.m. Eastern Time here in Michigan, and the stock is currently trading at $1.19. It is up 0.85% for the day. So first things first, if you're invested in this company, you're probably wondering when is their next earnings call going to be. They haven't put out a date yet. And on top of that, I personally do believe that they can do some things to improve communication with overseas investors. But hey, anyways, it is what it is. I personally reached out to Investor Relations inquiring about when is the earnings call going to be, or when are they going to give us some type of announcement. They personally said, "Thanks for your email. We target to report the earnings towards the end of this month. We will announce the date once it's fixed. Thank you." So there you have it. It's confirmed. UXIN's Investor Relations confirmed that the earnings will be announced by the end of this month. So we're going to have that earnings sometime this month. Maybe it's not the clarification that we were all looking for, but at least we do have some clarification, and we do know that we're going to be hearing from them this month. That's all we got for now, and this is the perfect time to recap their previous earnings so we can have a little bit of background and some idea of what guidance they gave, so we can know what to expect for the next earnings that will be released this month. And their previous earnings was for the 3 months ending September 2020. Now we are waiting for their earnings from October to December, the last 3 months, and their earnings calendar is a little bit different. I believe their last earnings was actually Q2 2021, so I'm just referring to their earnings as the period of time it covers to kind of simplify things and not cause any confusion. So I'll preface this by saying UXIN has changed their business model so much and very dramatically, so there's expected to be a little bit of pain in the short term. You don't just go from selling all your cars online and offline, then you get rid of your offline distribution channels and expect there to be some type of wild increase in sales. That would be something crazy, and that's not what happened, as we all know already. But the goal for me as an investor is to be in this company at the inflection point where things are just about to turn around. That means I can buy the stock when it's beaten up and has low perceived value, and then when things start to turn around, it'll look like I paid a good multiple for the shares that I'm holding currently. And obviously that's best case scenario. Worst case scenario is that this company just completely fails because they face strong financial pressures. We're hoping that it turns around, but nothing's guaranteed. On the side of the company is the market. China wants to build a $306 billion used car market by 2025. There was just an investigation on online used cars companies that I covered about 2 days ago, and in my opinion, from what I saw, UXIN came out on top from that investigation. So I think that they are likely to benefit from the growth that's coming into this emerging market in China. So last report for the 3 months ending in September, online sales were up 50% year over year. Putting UXIN at 2,653 transactions had with only online sales. Remember, they got rid of their offline channels. But overall, the sales or transaction volume, whatever you want to call it, is down sharply because 2019's numbers included online and offline sales. 2019, the same quarter last year, they had 23,566 transactions. And if you do the math, that means that them being at 2,653 transactions this time around, that put them at 88.74% decrease year over year, which is a very dramatic fall. Like I said, there's pain expected to be in the business, as they have made a lot of changes. So net loss for the quarter was 38.1 million. Kundai CEO said that we can expect net loss to narrow slightly in their next earnings report. So we should see net loss decreasing, even if it's just a little bit. That's what we want to see with what the CEO gave us. Revenue was $11.2 million last year. Gross margin last year was negative 22.4%. This time around, CEO says that we can expect it to be slightly positive per the last earnings call. And then from my understanding, they have $57 million in cash. That's what happens when you take the $32 million that was on their balance sheet as of the 3 months end September. And then on top of that, you add that $25 million from the overseas investors. That puts you at around $57 million in cash. So let's see how much they have on their balance sheet this time around. So the bar is set pretty high for UXIN to report their earnings from October to December. We have confirmation from investor relations that it will happen this month. And so I want to know what you guys think. Is it going to be good? Is it going to be bad? Is it going to be catastrophic? We look forward to seeing it this month. I will be speaking more about it as things progress. That's going to be it for this video. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Leave me a comment down below. And as always, thanks for watching. I will catch you guys in the next video.